Musango guno oguliwo ogwa muganda affe Isima okubeera mu nsi ey'amateeka buli omu alina rights kulopa because you can be innocent until proved guilty. Ne baganda bange wano babuloga bangi okuva mu biti ebyenjawulo etukwatagana nabo kubanga nze head of communication mu Bloggers Association. Bloggers Association Isima president waffe era ye mulonde wadde nga ebizibu bino bibeerawo mu bulamu bw'ensi wayinza okubaawo okubagana mu bintu ebimu ng'ebyamateeka naye twebaza nnyo ababaddewo wano okujja okuwulira omusango era omulamuzi abadde mulungi nnyo tugambye nti Isima agenda kuvaayo enkya agenda okudda mu kooti but ali innocent until proved guilty. Naye twagala okwetondera abantu bonna abali abalowooza nti oba babuloga nti oba nti tusasula oba tuli bavumye ekifaananyi kye batulabiramu, which is not true. Nze na degree ya psychology n'abalala bano baganda bange bayinza okuba oba basoma doctorate, abalala badokita, abalala baloya, so IT, so twasoma wadde nga mu information ate si gwe gusose n'abantu ab'amaanyi nga ba Andrew Mwenda abannamawulire abasinga ndowooza bali mu journalism mubimanyi abantu bajja bakwatibwa olw'ebyo boogera, so si kipya nnyo mu Uganda. It is a trend okwata abantu abakola because blogging is an extension of journalism and blogging tekitegeeza nti ffeffeka abali wano naawe osobola okukwata gy'oba oli n'oyogera ku bikyamu ebiri mu ggwanga, so buli omu afundikira ani buloga era wootulya ne ba MP bakola zi Facebook live okuvayo okwogera ebikyamu ebiri mu ggwanga naye bayinza okuba be bitasanyusa andi baddemba okukola ki ogenda mu kooti. So twebaza buli omu abadde wano, Kasuku ne bannamawulire ababaddewo mwe bali kwagala Isima mukwano kujja Nsereka abaddewo ne baloya baffe ababaddewo okutuyamba, so n'abo batutwala mu kooti twongera okubeetondera kubanga nze ndowooza nti mu bulamu bw'ensi eno ekkomera si wengeri gye tusobola okusolola ki okusolovingamu ebizibu. Tusobola okumiitinga bangi nnyo betunyiizizza ate bangi nnyo abatunyiiza naye ne tuba n'odasite eyeesonyiwa ate eggwanga neritambula, so mwebale nnyo mwebalire ddala. So kijja ku ntobo ya mutima gwange tubeetondera abo betwanyiiza naye nga buli kimu kijja kutambula tusigale nga tuli bannayuganda ate nga tuli bamikwano. Mwebale nnyo mwebale
owulire Kasuku mwebale kujja kubeerawo. Nze ndi law abiding citizen era mpulira bulungi bandimandinze mpaka banamproducing enkya. That's how country moves. Mwebale nnyo Honorable Mohamed Sereko once again okumbeererawo mu very hard times era omuntu akujjayo mu kkomera yabeera omuntu akoze eki asinze. Abavubuka mwenna mukyuke tudde mu digital marketing kuba bali abaagala ebyokuvuma batuteeke mu bizibu nabo weebali kati we tubeera organized tuba tujjawo business naye nga kati mujje Bukoto ku kibiina kyaffe kigenda kuddukanyizibwa bulungi, tulina leadership newemba siriiwo. Mwebale nnyo mwebalire ddala.
Kati luva wano ddawase
ono musibe
omusibe yamanyidde addase
babuloga mbeetaagamu
bannamawulire SG Secretary General Association abaagalamu for press conference.
okay kati musoke muveewo omusukulu oyo ayogere ne balooya be.
That we use electronic communication as a lucrative for the next media services limited here in Kampala, and that willfully and repeatedly that he made statements about Suona Emmanuel that the court said that he has no money, that his own assets are a few pairs of shoes, that is among 100 musicians, that he fails at everything, maybe he's haunted by ancestral spirits because he practices sin. He's so much into witchcraft and he gets money from body women. He's in brief, he's like that one of the jobless, educated person. But everyone knows that he has bad luck, that he practices witchcraft, that his shows cannot exceed 2,000. This was at this statement, this stuff that is quiet, right or privacy of the said Emmanuel Suna Abushaku. And the statements were made with no purpose for recruitment. That's the charge, the first charge against you. Have you understood that charge?
Yes, I did understand the charge.
How do you plead?
Not guilty.
The plea of not guilty entered for count one.
The second charge is that one of criminal libel. And this is contrary to section 179 and 180 of the Penal Code Act. These are the particulars of the offense. It is alleged that you just were interacting alias Yisma Rexas, Kawalia Isaac Asemolondo alias Case, Wako Grand King and Macaulay Williams, that on 27th day of August 2021, that while at Sanika Television, this is Next Media Services Limited, in Kampala District, that he unlawfully published a defamatory matter to which it's in courts. He has no money. Muranga Suna is among the under people. Muranga Suna is among the under musicians. He fails at everything. Maybe he is haunted by ancestral spirits. If he is haunted by ancestral spirits, maybe because he practices self-help. He's so much in witchcraft. So what Murandia has to do is to empty those silly tricks. Those are musicians who are chopping money from old women. In brief, he's like that of a jobless, educated person. He produces kids because the woman he is with and her kids are adults. Everyone knows that you have bad luck. It is not Suna alone. There are many musicians who are surviving by the power of the woman. That's why you will see him converting to Islam today. The other day, he is in witchcraft. Let him ask for consent from his wife and impregnate her. He cannot get such proceeds because they pay only 2,000 Ghana shillings or 3,000 Ghana shillings for Suna's shows. That's reports. Concerning Suna Emmanuel Abushaku with the intent to expose him hatred, contempt, or likely to damage his profession or his reputation. That's the second charge against him. Have you understood that charge?
Yes.
How do you agree?
Not guilty.
The plea of not guilty entered for count two.
Your worship, for quality of 500%, we are in for statement in this matter. Your worship, everyone is represented by council, executive and council Your worship requires, in this case,
For the record once again, my name is Muhammad Nsereko, counsel for the accused, appearing alongside Mr. Kasiko, Counsel Kasiko Ibrahim. I take cognizance of the plea and the jurisdiction of this honorable court. And Your Worship, if you may be pleased, would like to go ahead and apply for bail for our client. Your Worship, it is true that these charges have been brought against our client in this honorable court, though it is unfair for the state to come and claim that inquiries are still ongoing. It is against Article 28(3) of the Constitution.
Counsel, excuse me. I will fix the bail application for tomorrow for the trial magistrate. Please handle with the personal conduct of this file. That will be tomorrow. Tomorrow will be the 5th of October.
Most obliged, Your Worship. In lieu, does that mean, Your Worship, that my client shall be produced tomorrow?
The client will be produced tomorrow and is reminded up to tomorrow for bail application and further mention of the case.
Most obliged, Your Honor. Take that in good faith.
Rebecca Peter.